My cat does not know what to do when it catches a bird. This bird flew into the door and got stunned, and my cat doesn't know what to do with it. The bird's alive. My cat's scared of the bird. Mm-mm. I think it's trying to make friends with the bird. Uh-oh. There you did it. There he goes. I can tell you're not gonna be no bird hunter, are you? Nope. He's not gonna. I can't rely on you to keep birds out of the yard. Nope. Okay, come here.